Whoa! Yo! What's good, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to a performance that was done by Ankudinova. So this performance, it's called Taki, Rari, Avatar show. I'm not sure what is the meaning of this, but I'm here to find out. So without further ado, let's hear what Dana have to say here. Peace.
И опера вообще. Капец.
Whoa! At this point, she's unstoppable. She's absolutely phenomenal. Such beauty coming from Diana at this point. She's unmatched.
Офигенно. А как она двигается потрясающе!
Oh! Baka! 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 Nice one. Nice one, Diana. Nice one. Nice one. I gotta say, question. This character that she's in now, that's her? Well, it's an obvious question, but this character, right? This is Diana, right? But regardless, I'm not here for the character. But the character here looks so good. The display is awesome. But the performance here, it's super good.
Офигеть просто! Офигеть!
Что творится?
Обалдеть!
Жар птица! Браво!
Wonderful, Diana. Wonderful. A splendid performance done by you. So, that was good. That was totally good. And I'm happy to see that Diana is exploring, reaching new heights with some new edition. The edition is sick, bro. I am feeling good. It's enjoying to watch, bro. Damn, that's entertainment. So if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. Thanks for watching.